Most platforms charge you every single month. But what if everything you needed was in one place? This is what I use, and it can save you a lot over time.
All right, so you have built your perfect website. You have picked the template, you have added the pages, you have everything ready to rock, and now it's time to grow your site. It's time to attract more visitors so they can see what you have created. And what's the best way to grow a website? It's obviously a blog. And here at Dashnix, we have made it super simple to launch your blog using Dashnix PowerTech Pro blogging mode. So here's how it works. You go to your website, you go to the website settings, and you go to the blog, and with one click, you enable the blog. Then you provide a few settings. You enable the commenting, for example. You add categories, navigation. You set up the widgets. And once you are happy with all of that, all you have to do is go back and start to add blogging pages. And you can literally start to create any kind of content. You have full control. Who is the author? What kind of category you want to show? What kind of dates you want to do? What kind of sidebar widgets you want to show? So you have a full blogging functionality with just a few clicks. And now you can easily grow your website, attract more visitors, and get better results faster. So I have my demo store ready here, and I have my products on the store. And right now, it's the question, how can I improve the look and feel of my store? And more importantly, how can I guide my visitors to see my most important products or specials for this month? And that's what the collection mode is for. So let's go inside of the dashboard of the store. Let's scroll down to the appearance tile here. And right underneath it, we have the collection mode here. And all we have to do is just enable the collection mode. And if we click the preview of the store, now the store looks completely different. As you can see, we have the top image right here with the special collection at the top. This is where you can guide people to your this month's special or special occasions, for example, where you build a collection with most important products that you want to sell. And then we have different collections that we can send people directly to, right? And if you look right here inside of the collection, we have the nice sorting feature, which allows people to sort through all the products that you have in the collection and find what they are truly looking for. So think about this. Which store looks better? This one, the default way, or with the collection mode enabled? And obviously, the answer is the collection mode enabled, and that's what you get with the Dashnix PowerTech Pro license. So now at this point, you have your beautiful store ready. You have products loaded on the store. You have the collections ready. You have everything ready for the customers. And it's really the time to start to bring in some sales and experience results. And there is no better way to do that than by tapping into the big three platforms like Google Shopping, Facebook, and Microsoft Shopping. And in order to do that, you need what's called product feeds. So let's go on our store dashboard here. Let's go to the products and let's go to the feeds. And inside of the product feeds, what we have built and what you get with the Dashnix PowerTech Pro license is the default feeds that you can use, but more importantly, you can build a custom feed for each platform, whether it's Facebook, whether it's Microsoft, whether it's Google Shopping. You can build a custom feed and really just add products that you want to advertise on each of these platforms so that you can start to bring in customers from the day one. That's the power of product feeds that you get with Dashnix PowerTech Pro. So now your store is starting to get some traction. People come to your store, they check out the product pages, and they are adding products to the cart, and they are purchasing them, right? And people will start the checkout process here, and they are going to enter some information. But here's what happens. Unfortunately, for one reason or another, majority of the people, and this is what statistics shows, are not completing the purchase, right? They are interrupted in some way, and so they abandon the purchase at a particular moment. So what do you do with those situations? Well, here at Dashnix, we were thinking about that, and what we built here inside is what we call the Abandonment Lab. And Abandonment Lab allows you to follow up those who abandon the cart and bring them back to complete the purchase and buy from your store. And you can activate this by just clicking this one button and activate a default campaign that will go out 15 minutes after the cart will expire. Or you can build a sophisticated campaign using our drag and drop campaign builder. And we have even templates inside which are pre-written, so you can really build a sophisticated campaign to follow up with your store customers who have tried a purchase but have not finished it and bring them back. And our results shows that you can bring back as many as 60% of the customers who would otherwise be a lost sales. That's the power of Dashnix PowerTech Pro Abandonment Lab. At this moment, your store is generating sales. You're starting to generate revenue for your business. And as a business owner, the next question that you'll have in your mind is, how can I increase my revenue? How can I increase my revenue per customer? How can I make more sales? And the way how you can easily do that is by using upsells or special offers after the initial purchase by the customer. So for example, when someone buys this cap from my store, what I want to do is I want to make a special offer where I can either offer a different product to them with a discount, or I can offer the same product again with a discount. And we have built these options to work for you on Autopilot. So one of those options is called Double It Upsell. And Double It Upsell means that you're essentially selling the same product to the person with a discount, right? And this has been proven that this is the most effective, for most businesses at least, the most effective way how to quickly increase revenue from an e-commerce store. And so what you need to do here is really just add a name and then add a pricing range. So let's say if our customer buys something between $15 to $100, then we want to make a special offer to double what he just bought with the 15% discount, right? And obviously we can set up all kinds of different rules here. There are multiple different options here. But the simplest one is like this. The range from, let's say, one particular price until the some kind of end price, and you apply the discount. So if in this case, my rule is this: if someone buys something from us for between $15 and $100, so the total order value is in this range, we are going to make the special offer to double what they just bought at a 15% discount. And there's all the text already pre-configured. You can obviously customize colors and text itself if you want to. Right now, I'm just going to save this, and I'm going to show it to you how it looks like here on the page. So you can see that once someone will buy this cap right now or any product from my store here, they will be automatically presented with the special offer where they can double their order with a 15% discount, right? And that's such a great deal. It has been proven that selling the same product at a discount is one of the most effective ways how to increase the average order value and generate more revenue. And we have made it super simple here. You just need to click a couple of buttons and you have the automatic upsell working for you. The other upsell we have is a one-click upsell, and the only difference there is that now you can select specific products. Let's say if someone buys a cap, you can offer them to, let's say, get the hoodie as an upsell, and you can apply a discount for that hoodie, right? The rest of the setup is the same. You can obviously, again, customize all the look and feel. You can add a custom button, for example, add to my order here, which would make it more kind of appropriate for the order. And that's about it. And you can save it and start to go with it. But Upsell Lab is your shortcut how to increase a revenue and increase the average order value from your e-commerce store. And that's available to you as a Dashnext PowerTech Pro license holder. Now, as you will start to grow your store and you will start to get more sales, what you will want to do is you want to make even more revenue, even more sales. And that's just the nature of a business owner, right? Now, there are multiple ways how you can do that. And for this reason, we have built a conversion lab. Now, conversion lab consists of multiple tools, some of which are not developed yet, but there are already a few tools that will change the game for your store right away. And I want to show you one of those. So if we go and add a Signify notification here, and there are currently, as you can see, 3 different notifications, but I want to demonstrate the power of dynamic free shipping information. So let's call this free shipping. And just imagine that, we are charging a shipping fee for every single product, but we want people to buy more from our store. And so what we can do is we can display a message where we say that, if you will buy, products for $75 or more, we are going to give you free shipping. And we can, decide where we want to display this. We can display this across the entire store. We can display this on a particular product page or in the cart. We can always display it, or we can display it when people add it to the cart. So let me just enable these things and let me just save it so you get an idea of the power that we have here. So now I'm going to enable this thing, and let me go back to the cart. So what I want to show you, as you can see right now, we have $44.90 in the cart. And if I refresh this page now, you'll see a difference. First, you're going to see this message at the top that says, add products for just $30.10 more to get free shipping. And here at the bottom, it says the same, add products for just $30.10 more to get free shipping. And essentially, this encourages people to buy more from your store. So they have now the choice. They can, for example, if they, as in this case, they have bought, they think about buying a cap.
If you want to explore this yourself, check the link in the description or pinned comment.
They can buy the second t-shirt and the second cap. And as a result, as you can see, awesome, your order now qualifies for free shipping. And as you just saw it was all automatic, which is what the power is, right? Because someone can see right away that that's how they can get and qualify for the free shipping if they just get more stuff from your store. And this is yet another power for you, how to increase a revenue, because that's what we think about all the time, how to help you to generate more revenue from your store. And with the conversion lab that's part of the Dashnext PowerTech Pro license, you can absolutely do that from day one. All right, so I'm back on my store's dashboard. And from the dashboard, what do you want to do? You want to go to integrations, and that's where you are going to find the Pro connector. And this is where you can start a serious automation going on to make sure that most important tasks that you have to run your store is automated. In order to do that, you can connect Dashnext PowerTech Store Builder with your Zapier account and start to automate lots of tasks. As you can see, Zapier connects to more than 3,000 applications, and you can start to run different kind of tasks on an autopilot in order to automate the entire process when it comes to running your store. And the best part is that you can start Zapier for free, and as a Dashnext PowerTech Pro member, you get the license to Pro Connector with no limitations. So regardless whether you have 1,000 orders or 5,000 orders on your store, you'll be able to automate these processes using the Pro Connector connection with Zapier. And down the line, there will be more connections coming under the Pro Connector, where we are going to be adding more features, how to semi-automate your store so you can run a multi-million-dollar operation from Dashnext PowerTech store with no issues whatsoever. So that's the power of the Pro Connector and Dashnext PowerTech Pro license.
If you want to explore this yourself, check the link in the description or pinned comment.